Email marketing is an extremely powerful marketing channel for clinical trials organizations because it allows them to reach their target audience directly in their inbox. Not many other marketing channels are this personal. Email marketing is done by collecting the emails of your customers and stakeholders and then distributing emails to them. This is an extremely cost-effective method of marketing because there is no printing costs or advertising costs. All that is required is an email marketing platform. Thankfully, these email marketing platforms are extremely cheap and can be purchased for a few dollars each month. These platforms are easy to use. This is an example of how easy it is to create an email and send it out to your audience. It's super easy to create an email and send it out to your audience. We're using Squarespace email marketing here, but all other marketing platforms are very similar and easy to use. There are two common types of email marketing campaigns. Drip marketing, where a new email subscriber receives a predetermined selection of emails sent to them over a set duration. And the other common type is a simple newsletter campaign, where new emails are created and sent out regularly to customers. Using both of these techniques is an excellent way to communicate and market to your audience. I recommend segmenting your email list into several different categories if possible. This way you can customize your emails to suit the different audiences. For example, you should have all your stakeholders in one list because they want to see different information to regular subscribers. Growing your email list can be challenging. To overcome this, we use lead magnets to entice people to join. A lead magnet is when you offer a free tool or product in exchange for the email of a customer. Popular lead magnets include ebooks, white papers, a cheat sheet, or a discount. Setting up a lead magnet on your website is super easy, and as an added bonus, having a lead magnet positions your brand as an expert in the industry. You cannot ignore email marketing. It should be one of your main pillars of communications and marketing as a clinical trials organization.